Hello again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the gallery. And that is a 6x6 inch canvas. And my glasses are right there. And I just covered a seashell that I had painted a long time ago with acrylics with a variety of colors. And even though I like some of this, I'm going to do the same thing without any pillow paint that I just did. Actually, I want some white pearl in there. These paints are mixed either with mica or pigments or primary elements or acrylic or color shifting or anything, but the recipe is below the video probably. I didn't make a video for this. That's quinacridone magenta. They're mixed either with Polypour from Vivid from Colourarte, primary elements. Not so sure about the configuration of that. Anyway, so I'm just going to use my cell activator, which is carbon black from Golden, which I keep showing you guys and then putting someplace I can't. There it is. Pick it up. There we go. It's not the most liquidous. It's not heavier body. So I'm just going to blow into that. Harden my head and let that develop for a second. And figure, yeah, I'm really good at letting things develop for a second, right? Figure, if nothing else, that's going to become a bloom of sorts. And because I like this color here, probably going to add some more of that. Do I need any more orange? Maybe not. Drop. Come on. Drop. Drop. Not right there. Okay, fine. Be that way. Mix that up. Cell activator on it. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. I think I'm just going to keep going for it. So there's no pillow paint, no latex paint, nothing like that at all. That is a golden iridescent fine. And I love these colors together, so I guess I'm just going to swallow the pain of ruining the almost interesting painting on the background. And keep it as the background, and I think I'm just going to keep following suit until I get exactly what I want, using those 3 different colors in a variation on a layering theme. I could even put some of that white pearl in there as I did at the beginning, which I forgot. I put that in there. Alright, let's see if I can tip that a little bit. Because there are very pretty cells in there. I don't know if the camera will stay in focus when I move it up. I kind of feel like I want a little bit more of that pink up there. So I'm just going to add what I want where I want it and not worry about it. Just keep right on going with my same theory. Wish I'd brought some blue over, but then I would have used it if I had it. I am having a good time. And I'm nearing the stage where I'm going to call this done, so I'm going to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is directly below the video underneath the Linktree link where all the other links are, including my website, Saatchi Art, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation for Students. Oh, I like that. Instead of blowing the black out, I blew the orange in to the black. I like it a lot. So if I leave those other colors around the outside edge, they sort of kind of constitute the same thing as negative space. And this is a bloom that I really like a lot. And I am almost done with it. So thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for watching my videos longer. Really appreciate that. If you're having a difficult time finding my videos, use the Pinterest link and look for the videos. Look for the board with the videos on it. Oh, I went backwards. I wonder if that'll work. That was the cell activator first. Let's see. Even if it doesn't, I'll still get what I wanted, which was some black there. I could probably put some more afterwards. No, I really like that. And I'm going to take my little drips down the sides and just stick my fingers in them a little bit and not worry about it otherwise. That is a cute little piece. I like that piece. I got nothing on this side. It shouldn't matter. Love, love, love those cells. Really glad you guys joined me. Thank you so much. If you're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell YouTube channel, look on the channel for the tomorrow's video on the community board. Look on my playlist for on all playlists and creative playlists for over 1,500 videos. I'm going to try and quick like a bunny get up. I wish I had something I could put that on. Maybe I do. Hey, check that out. One of my paint drying racks might work to raise that up. Of course, it'll be crooked in the picture, and I'll catch my bracelets on it. Anyway, so the videos are organized by... Wow. The videos are organized. I have no idea what you saw or what you didn't. Looks like my camera sort of adjusted itself. Let's see if I can focus a little bit. And if I can spin. No, I really can't. Something's stopping me from spinning. There we go. I see what's stopping me. But those cells are magnificent. I'm so happy you guys joined me, and even if it's just to see the end result, I'm guessing, because all I really did was layer my colors on top of no pillow paint whatsoever on a pre-painted canvas. Let's go back that way. And then blow them out. Beautiful, beautiful lacing. I love you guys. There's almost 90,000 of you. Thank you for being here. If you're a brand new subscriber, welcome. Thank you guys for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting all this time, and if you're interested in helping me produce more videos, you can use the PayPal or Patreon links to contribute, and it will get you automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And the monthly drawing prizes are shared with you on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video in the last 20 seconds, so you can always check them out there. I don't think there's much else I didn't tell you, except for Teespring below the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. If you shop my Amazon link, I am remembering, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. And my books are there. Volume 1 is Because I Can. Volume 2 is Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Be well, stay well. I will see you anon. Priscilla, out.